growing demand across over 5,000 stores, this retail giant implemented an automated storage and retrieval system in its smart warehouse distribution center, serving more than 90 urban locations.
By automatically replenishing picking zones during low-activity periods based on store requirements, the system enables highly efficient inventory turnover.
The flexible automated solution optimizes vertical space utilization by leveraging multiple floors to store pallets and split cases.
By leveraging multiple floors, the warehouse provides over 2,900 pallet positions, expanding capacity by 100% to store 80,000 SKUs. Strategies like batch and zone picking boost fulfillment efficiency. During idle hours, the system replenishes goods from storage to picking zones based on store orders. This prepares for upcoming peaks in demand. The automated storage and retrieval robots coordinate seamlessly with manual forklifts for delivery. These capabilities showcase how automating warehousing with intelligent systems can drive higher density, throughput, accuracy, and productivity.